we have the figure below is a circle with center O and diameter AB, and we have a circle. That's our circle with the center O and diameter AB. This is the diameter. This is the diameter of that circle. A, O, and B, which is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. That is the diameter. A spiral to chord CD. CD. And we make a perfect square, a circle. A spiral to chord CD. CD. Given that AB is 8 centimeters and chord CD, this is 6 centimeters long. Calculate the distance of the chord from O. CD is 6 centimeters. This is a chord. AB is 8 centimeters with O as the center. Then they want you to compute this distance from the chord to the center to O. Yeah, from the chord, the distance from the chord, the distance of the chord from O, this distance here. If this is a circle, if this is a circle, AO is supposed to be the radius. OB again is supposed to be the radius. AO, we can come here and say that AO is equals to 8 you divide by 2, which is 4 centimeters. That being the case, also we can have a line here and say that CO also it will be a radius. CO is a radius also. CO is a radius. CO is a radius 4 centimeters again. C, we can say O up to another point K. OK again is supposed to be 4 centimeters. The first thing that you are going to do, we can let OM, let's say we have M there. OM, we can say it's X. CM will be 3. Yeah, 3 centimeters, and MD will be 3 centimeters. Like that. And you have said that CO is the radius. Good. Now we can extrapolate to have a triangle looking like this. We extrapolate. C will be here. C, M, and O. Correct. This is our X. Can you see it clearly? CO. Yeah, CO is R. R, that is the radius. MC is 3 centimeters. We can make an equation using the Pythagoras theorem, and we can say that R squared is equals to 3 squared plus X squared. Good. That being the case, we can also come here and say we have said from O to M it's X, but from O to K it's the radius, and this radius is the same as AO, which is 4 centimeters. We can say that R radius, radius from O to K it's R, you minus X, and this will give you the value of MK. MO is what? MO is X, but OK is equals to what? OK is 4 centimeters because it's the diameter. Therefore, you are going to come here and say that MK it's R. MK it's R minus X. So this is R minus X. MK is equals to R minus X. Then we add MO. MO is X. And this is supposed to give you 4. Negative X plus X is 0. R is equals to 4. we are going to have two equations. We can say this is the first equation and this is our second. R squared is equals to 3 squared plus x squared, like that. Value of R is what? It's 4. We substitute 4 squared is equals to 3 squared plus x squared. 4 squared is 16 is equals to 3 squared. 9 is equals to x squared. Plus x squared, like that. Like term 16 minus 9 is equals to x squared. And 16 minus 9 is supposed to be 7 is equals to x squared. And x is equals to square root of 7. Square root of 7 is what? Square root 7 is supposed to be 2.645 centimeters, and that is the correct answer. That's how you're supposed to do that question. Next, I wanted us to proceed to, first of all, to solve some questions on binomial expansion. And this way we are supposed to use the Pascal's triangle. Yesterday I recall showing you how to develop that Pascal's triangle, and we said that we start with 1. If you don't have a 4-figure table, you can start with 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6, 4, 1, 1. 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1. 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, 1. Yeah, this is for binomial expansion written in raised power 6. Next, for 7, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1, 1. This is for 7. We can also proceed to 8. 8, 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, 1, 1. And you can proceed. This is for binomial expansion raised to power 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you can proceed like that. Next, you can have a question. For example, you've been told expand 2x plus 3y into bracket raised power 4. The first thing that you are supposed to do, the first number 2x, you first of all raise it to the highest power. That is 4. 2x into bracket squared. Yeah, and if it says power 4, we are going to use these values here. Then we proceed to next 4. We say plus 4, then you are going to open the bracket 2x 3y, like that. We proceed to 6, so plus 6. You repeat the same values, 2x, close the bracket, 3y, then 4 plus 4. You repeat the same values, 2x, close the bracket, 3y, and finally 1. This 1, it means the last value. You raise it to the power to be given, the highest power. That d into bracket plus 3y into bracket is power 4. Then after that, this is not 2, this is 4. Sorry, this is 4. Then 2x is power 4. In all these values, you are going to power, but in a reducing way, in a descending order from 4. From 4, 2x, we are going to proceed to 3. After 3, 2, then 1. 3y, we are going to start with 4. Then we descend from right to left. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then thereafter we can expand. We expand. 2 raised power 4 is supposed to be 16. 2 raised power 4 is supposed to be 16. X raised power 4 is x raised power 4. Then plus 2 raised power 3 is supposed to be 8. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 4, then times 3. we get 96 x then cubed y plus 6 times 2 raised power 4. 2 raised power 4, it's 4 times 3 squared, it's 9. And we are going to get 216, then x squared, y squared, plus, next is 4 times 2, this 2, because 2 raised power 1 is 2, times 3 cubed, which is 27. 3 cubed. We get what? We get 216. 216, then x, y, don't forget y cubed, like that. And finally we are going to have 3 raised power 4 is equals to what? 81. 81 y raised power 4. And that is the answer. That is the answer. What if you are given, you've been told to expand? Yeah, you are given a plus b into bracket raised power 8. Raised power 8. You are going to do the same. The first digits it's 4. That means it's a. You start with a. Raised to the highest power that you've been given. This you start with the power that you'll be given 8. Then plus, well, these are the values of 8. Powers of 8. We are going to start with 8. You open the bracket a. You repeat these values with the sign. We proceed to 28. Open the bracket a, b plus 56. Open the bracket a, b. We proceed to 70. This is our 70 here. 70 a, b. Next is 56 plus 56 a, b, like that, plus 28 a, b, plus 8 plus 8 a, b, and finally 1. This one we are not going to write 1. You are going to take the last value, which is b, again to the highest power, which is 8. Then if you have started with a raised power 8, where we have a, we are going to write the power in descending order from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. B raised power 8. So where we have b, we are going to descend from right to left. 8, after 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Then we can have this part here. Can have this bit. And we expand now. The first is a raised power 8 plus 8 raised power a, this 8 a raised power 7 b. Next is 28 plus 28 a raised power 6 and b raised power 2 plus 56 no need of bracket. 56 a raised power 5 b raised power 3 plus 70 ab, but a is what? A is 4, b 4 plus 56 ab, but a in 56 it's 3 and b it's 5 plus 28 ab, 28 what? A it's 2, b it's 6 plus 8 a and b raised power 7 for this, and finally plus b raised power 8. That's how you're supposed to do that question. Next, what if now you are given P minus 1 over 4 Q, we can say raised power like 6. Yeah, raised power 6. We are going to do the same. The first P, you raise to the highest power 6. P raised power 6. Then, the order that I gave you yesterday, you start with the negative, plus, negative, plus, negative, plus, like that. Yeah, negative. Values of 6 are here. So you take 6, you open the bracket P, 1 over 4 Q. But once you follow that order, negative plus, here you are not going to insert a negative. Next is 15 P, 1 over quarter, 1 over 4 Q. Next is 20 plus 20 P, 1 over 4 Q, plus 15. 15 is here, P, 1 over 4 Q. Negative plus, minus, minus, plus, minus. Yeah, in that order. Negative plus, negative plus, negative. Yeah. Next is 6. This 6 here. You repeat the same values, P, 1 over 4 Q, and finally plus. This one you are going to take 1 over 4 Q, you raise it to the highest power 6. Then where we have P, starting from this P raised power 6, you are going to reduce from 6, 5, in that order, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thereafter you expand. P raised power 6 minus 6 over 4. This will be 6 over 4. It's supposed to be 3 over 2. P raised power 5 and Q. Next, plus, this will be 4 raised power 2, it's 16. 15 all over 16, P raised power 4, Q raised power 2. Minus, next, 4 cubed is what? It says 64, 4 cubed is 64. Then we say, what is 20 all over 64? You get 20. 20 all over 64, you get 5. You get 5. 5 over 16, P raised power 3, then Q raised power 3. Next is 15. 15, 4 raised power 4. 4 raised power 4 is what? 256. You are going to say 15 all over 256. We get 15 all over 256. Then P squared and Q raised power 4 minus 4 raised power 5. We get 10, 24. 6 all over 10 over 10, 24 is what? Yeah, it's 3. 5, 3 over 5, 12. Then P raised power 1, it's P. Q raised power 5, and finally plus. What is 4 raised power 6? 40, 96. So it's 1 over 40, 96. Q raised power 6. And that is the correct answer. Next, you can be given, expand the following, giving your answer in SAD form. Yeah, you give your answer in SAD form, where you are given, open the bracket 2 minus 3 root 7 into bracket 5. We are going to do the same. Follow the same order or rule. value. First of all, you go to your 4-figure table, or you can derive 5 for 5 are here. This is 5. We are going to start with the 2. 2, the first number is power 5, followed by negative. Then you pick those values. You start with the 5, open the bracket 2, open the bracket 3 root 7, negative plus, as I've told you, after 5 it's 10. You repeat the same values, 2, 3 root 7, then negative, negative plus negative. After 10 you have another 10, 2, 3 root 7 plus 5, 2, 3 root 7, and finally negative 1 is the last value. 3 root 7 is power 5. Open the bracket, 3 root 7 is power 5. Correct. Then after that you expand. 2 raised power 5 is 32. Yeah. First of all, you put the order. Where we have 2, we have started with 2 raised power 5. Then we are going to descend. 2 raised power 5, then 4. Next is 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we expand. 2 raised power 5 is 32, minus, we are going to have 2 raised power 4 is 16. 2 raised power 4 is 16. You can say times 5, then times 3. It's going to be 240 root 7, like that. Next, plus 10. First of all, let's do it like this. 10, 2 raised power 3. 2 raised power 3 is what? It's 8. Then times 3 squared is 9, times root 7 squared. Root 7 squared is what? Root 7 squared is 7. Square root of 7. Square root of 7, then into bracket squared is supposed to be 7, minus 10 times, to avoid confusion, 2 raised power 2 is 4, times 3 cubed is 27. Then root times root 7 cubed. Root 7 cubed. Root 7 cubed. To bracket 3. Root 7 cubed. Root 7 cubed. Yeah, root 7 cubed, you can do it here. Root 7 cubed is the same as root 7 times root 7 times root 7. Root 7 root 7 is 7. 7 root 7 is it. Let me confirm. Root 7, then 7 times root 7. Or cube root of 7. Oh, sorry. Supposed to be. We want, yeah, not like this. Yeah, it's root 7. Yeah, correct. Root 7 cubed is the same as root 7 times, root 7 times root 7. Yeah, what you have done. Root 7 root 7 is 7 root 7. Let me confirm. Root 7 is power 3. Yeah, correct. So I can wrap this and replace it with 7 root 7. Next, plus 5 times 2 times 3 raised power 4. 3 raised power 4, it's 81, times root 7 into bracket is power 4. This will be root 7 times root 7 times root 7 times root 7. Root 7 is supposed to be 7 times root 7, 7, and this is supposed to be 49. You multiply by 49 there. Minus 3 raised power 5. 3 raised power 5 is what? It's 243. 243. You multiply by what? we are going to multiply by 49 root 7. Where is that 49 root 7 coming from? You can repeat. Root 7 times root 7 times root 7 times root 7 times root 7 is the same. Root 7, 7. The first two. Root 7 times 7. Then times root 7. 7 times 7, 49 root 7. Yeah. As we have seen, so 49 root 7. Then after that we multiply 32 minus 240 root 7 plus 80 times 9 times 7, that is 63. 50 40 minus 40 times 27 times 7, and this will be 7560 root 7 plus this is 10 times 81 810 times 49. We get 36 39 690 minus 243 times 49. We get 11,907 root 7. Thereafter we are going to pick like terms that and that. The rest we can say 32 plus 50 40 plus 50 40 plus 39 690, we get 44 760. Then next we are picking, we say negative 240, negative 7560, and finally negative 11,907. We get negative 19,707, but we are going to have root 7. That is the correct answer. That's how we are supposed to do that question. We can also have last and this third form for you to understand, and understand well. You've been given, we can have, let me see. Yeah, you've been given, use past cos triangle to expand 1 plus 1 over 4 into bracket, x into bracket is power 4, taking the first three terms, taking the first three terms of the expansion and putting three terms and putting x is equals to 1. X is equals to 0.1. X is equals to 0.1. Find the value of the correct 3 decimal places. Higher, we use the values of 4 here. We start 1, this power 4, plus 4. Open the bracket and repeat 1 over 4x. Next is 6 plus 6, 1 over 4x plus 4, 1 over 4x, and finally we have this quarter x. This with the highest power 4. From 1 we descend 4. 3, although it will have no effect because 1 is by any number is supposed to be 1. 2 1 4 3 2 1. Next 1 is power 4, it's 1 plus that will cancel out, or that is supposed to be 1. 4, this is 4 times 1 over 4x is supposed to be x, correct? Plus 4 squared is 16. You can say, what is 16 over, 6 over 16 supposed to be 3 over 8, then x squared. But we've been told the first 3 terms. This is the first, second, third. Yeah, we are going to use this. Although first of all you can expand, no problem, because I want you to learn. Plus 4 raised power 3 is 64. 4 cubed is 64. What of 4 all over 64 is supposed to be 1 over 16, then x cubed. And finally 4 raised power 4 is what? 256. 1 over 256, x is power 4. But the examiner wanted us to use the first 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So it's up to this point. And you've been told to use x. X is equals to 0.1. You are supposed to substitute and say 1 plus 0.1 plus 3 over 8 times 0.1 squared is equals to 1 plus 0.1 plus 3 over 8 times 0.01. Is it? 0.1 squared. Yeah. Then 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.03 you divide by 8, we get 0.00375. We add plus 0.1 plus 1, we give 1.1038 to 4 decimal places. Thank you for now. Hope you have learned something. This was binomial expansion, and it's in form 3. Form 3 topic 12. Good.